Yesterday, I was telling you a story about a camel, but unfortunately, that is incomplete. And by now, you have learned that when this world started, man ruled on animals, and all the animals did work for man, else than the camel. And whenever he was asked to do any work, he said only humph. And that camel lived in a desert. And when the other animals complained about it to the man said that I can do nothing in it, but the work of camel must be done by you. Means you all animals will have to do the extra work. So all the animals were not happy, and one day, when they were holding a meeting, a jinn came there. And now you know very well that who was the jinn. Jinn was the in charge of the desert where the camel lived without doing any work. So all the animals said it to the jinn that all the animals do work, but unfortunately the camel that lives in desert does nothing. So the jinn said that okay, give me a little time and I will make the camel do work. So till this point you have heard, but now I am taking it ahead. And then the jinn went to the camel and asked him that why he didn't do work. But the camel, as it was in his habit, answered in humph. And then the jinn said him that this is not good. You must do work like other animals. But this time again, the camel laughed and said humph. And you know what happened? By the magic of the jinn, a humph appeared on the back of the camel. And the humph that you see on the back of the camel is from that day. And the camel
Sir,
became worried. Yes.
sir, sir, can you repeat the last sentence because of network issue? Haven't heard it.
And with the magic of the jinn, when the camel repeated humph, when he said humph, so then, though the jinn warned him not to do the thing, but camel did. And then, when second time he said humph to the jinn, so with the magic of, yeah, you can say that the jinn did a magic, and by that magic, a humph appeared on the back of the camel. The humph you see, वो कुबड़ देखते हो ना आप कैमल के ऊपर, the humph you see on the back of the camel is from that day. And then the camel said that what did you do? Then Mister, I was telling you to do work, but always you answered in humph, humph, humph. Now you have to work like other animals. So I think the story is clear to you. Though this is a story, it has nothing to do with the reason of having humph on the lion's back. So, but I think the story
Sir,
is clear to
not
you.
lion.
Camel, camel, camel. Try to understand the feelings, not the words. So I think now it is your turn to tell the story in your own words. Are you ready for it? And if yes, then give your names in the message box. Yes, and I have got the name. Very good. Gaurav, Rakshit, Rohit, Anuj, Lakshmi. Very good, very good, very good. So we are starting today's speaking session. And first of all, I am calling Gaurav. Come on,
Yes,
Gaurav.
sir. So, hello everyone, I am Gaurav here, and my today's topic is how the camel got and hump on his back, on its back.
Shabash.
So, in the middle of the desert, once there was a camel who did nothing, like my siblings in summer holidays.
He's comparing his sibling with the camel. Great, yaar. Yes, carry on. And who
Because
is your sibling?
Anjali, Vipin, and Chirag.
Okay, sibling not. Only your sibling is only Anjali. Okay.
So, cousins included.
Yes, including cousins. Okay, come on, carry on. Shabash.
And that's because my cousin's mom
ले जाते
or
हैं.
my bua or
हाँ,
aunt
okay, okay.
and my mom also taunt us with ऊँट है क्या
ऊँट है क्या? Okay.
अबे
Good.
ऊँट उठ जा
ऊँट उठ जा. Okay, come on. Yes, shabash.
then one day all the animals were not obsessed were सर परेशान होने को क्या कहेंगे
Puzzled.
hazard
Puzzled नहीं,
by
puzzled.
the
सुन ले.
तो
Puzzled.
puzzled
हाँ.
were puzzled by the camel's laziness.
हाँ.
So the man who was the owner of every animal in the desert ordered the horse to uh, tell the camel to do work. Then the horse went there and asked the camel to do the work,
Hmm.
and the camel said hum.
Hmm.
Then the man ordered the dog. The dog told the camel to fetch like them,
Hmm.
but the camel again said hump.
Hmm.
And the man asked the ox to tell the camel.
Ask आएगा.
Then
यहाँ पे कल मैंने समझाया था ना. What is the difference between tell and ask? Hmm.
then the ox also asked the camel to do the work or plow,
Hmm.
but the camel again said hop. Then the animals were frustrated because the man said that camel can't do nothing, so but the work is pending, so you have to do the work of camel also. So they were frustrated and held up panchayat or meeting,
Hmm.
and they invited the genie.
Hmm. Hmm.
The genie with no hair and just one ponytail came there by farting sand,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
also and then but before the grand entry of Jin, the camel came at the meeting site and the laughed at the animals and said hum 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 hum
Hmm.
and teased them, and then he went away. Then genie came farting pieces of sand, and uh, then the animals complained about the camel and asked that if it was allowed to uh, be idle in this desert. So the genie said, not, this is not right. So then he said that I will make the camel humph if he said humph once more. So then he uh, visited the camel farting sand by farting sand, and then also
Hmm.
uh, and then the genie uh, asked the camel to do the work, but then camel said hump. Then the genie used his magic to create a hump on his back, and he then said that now do the work. So that's the story behind the camel's hump. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Shabash, beta. Very good. Very nice. So now this is the turn of Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling a story about about the creation of hump on a camel.
Hmm.
So, once upon a time, there was a desert, and in that desert, man ruled over animals, and most of the animals worked for man. But in the middle of the desert, there was a lazy camel who didn't do any work.
Hmm.
He just used to eat things, and used to sleep all the day. And one day, after being tired of doing work, a horse came to the camel and said, oh camel, come and do work like the rest of us. But
Hmm.
camel just said humph.
Hmm.
And so then the horse went to the master, his master
Hmm. Hmm.
means the man, and complained him about the response of the camel. So the master said nothing. And then the dog and next the dog, having a stick in the mouth, went to the camel and said to him, camel, oh camel, come and fetch like the rest of us. But again the camel said humph, and the dog went away. Then the ox came, and he also said camel to do work like this, camel, oh camel, come and plow like the rest of us. But again the camel said hump. So so all the three animals complained to the master, but master said, oh three, you should have to do the work of the camels, and you have to do the work for uh, on the behalf of the camel. So all the three animals got angry that uh, why why should we do work of the camel. So the all the three animals, horse, dog, and ox, decided to hold a panchayat
Shabash.
at the edge of the desert. So they held a panchayat at the edge of the desert. So while the panchayat was going on, so camel came there, and he just did nothing. He said humph and started laughing on the animals.
Hmm.
And but then the camel went away. And then the in charge of the desert, means the master of the desert, jinn, came there. And the animal and the three and all the three animals complained the jinn that this is the matter, and please solve it. So
Hmm.
then the jinn went to the camel and said, it is not good for you to be idle all the day, and you are not doing any work. You should do work. So jinn said all this to camel, and he thought that camel will follow his rules. But camel was such a type of animal. He refused to work. So
Hmm.
so Jin decided to punish the camel, and he said he created a hump on the back of the camel. So the camel got sad and realized his mistake, and then the jinn ordered the camel to do work. So this is the whole story about the creation of camel, and this story justifies the saying or the statement that अब है ना ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे.
Yeah.
That's it, sir.
Yes, you are right. अब आया ना ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे, तो इसमें क्या अब आया ना ऊँट? Very good.
Sir,
बहुत
sir.
अच्छा. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I am going to tell you about a story of a camel. So, in a desert, there was a camel who used to live with his master, and camel did not do anything in his whole day. He was served by the master, and it was of no use because he sat idle for whole the day. So one day horse came to the camel and asked him to do the work like the horse who used to take the people from one place to another. So the camel said hump. And the horse complained about this to his master. I mean the master of camel. So the master said nothing about the behavior of camel. And next a dog came to the camel and said that you should do work and come on fetch stick with me. Then the camel again said hump, and dog went away without saying anything. On another day, an ox who was pulling a plough in the field said to the camel that you should plough hump like us so that it will be easy for farmers to grow more seeds. And the camel again said hump, and by getting annoyed of this, all three animals, horse, dog, and ox, went to the master and complained to him about the camel, who did not do nothing, and always replied with hump. So the man said in against of all three animals, and said that you should now do the work of camel also. They got angry with that why should they do the work of camel, and he didn't do anything any resourceful. So they held the panchayat where the camel came, and while laughing again said hump. And then the camel went away. Then there the owner of the desert, a genie came, and all three animals told him about the problem, and said that camel is idle, didn't do nothing, and always said hump. So the genie decided to convince him to do the work. So he went to the camel and said that you should do work like the rest of others, and should help the people of the desert in creating more resources. So again the camel said hump to the genie. By getting annoyed, genie by with the help of magic grew a hump on the camel's back, and by this way the camel punished him that you should start doing work from now onwards. And by this way the camel learned the lesson and started doing the work. That's it, sir. And also we get a moral from the story that we should not sit idle and always use our energy in productive things, not always in reviewing the work to do. That's it, sir.
Very good. Yes, Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the story is of a camel and his master, or whatever. So there used to be a camel in the desert, and it had a master. So the camel used to live like one who did nothing. So it was okay for camel to do nothing, but the other animals who were seeing him doing nothing, got jealous of him and thought that why are we only ones who is working and he is eating and sleeping on. They came both of three all of them like three. First of all, the horse came to the camel and asked to do work like the rest of them, but he refused and humph. Then the dog came. Again he refused and humph. And then the fox came. Again he did that. So they got irritated and they were uh, uh, a meeting was to be held, and it was held by all the three animals, and the minister was invited. So until the minister came, before the minister came, the camel head came uh, and went away. Then the minister came and they complained to the master that this is this is that, and what to do. Make him also able to do work or whatever you say. So the master got the animal came. The master got camel and asked him to do work, but he refused again and laughed. So at the end, uh, made him get a hump on his back, like not back, what to say. So on himself, I would say. And by the time he he has that, and he realized, he got sad and he started working. That's it.
Very good. शाबाश यार, naturally speaking आने लगी अब. I am very happy. Come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, my topic is a story, which is, and in this story, the main role is about a camel, and a camel who who lived in the desert, and many animals also lived in the same desert, and and a man who ruled them, and and the camel was lazy, and first of all a came horse came to camel to do work for to do work like rest of us, and camel only replied that hum, and second time the dog went to him with the stick in in his mouth, and said to camel to do work like us, like other animals, and 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 the the camel replied that replied hum, and third time ox went to camel, and he and the camel replied like hum, and all the animal were angry with the replying of hum, and they went to his master, and they complained to his master, and the master replied to them that you will have to work extra, and all were unhappy, and they decided to hell
Hold.
to hold a panchayat, and they held a panchayat in the middle of the desert, and that time the camel also came and laughing on them.
Laughed. Verb form का ध्यान रखो.
Yes, sir. And laughed on them. And recently a jinn.
Recently,
Jinn.
presently.
Yes, sir. Presently a jinn appeared, and all the animals thought that the jinn may help us, and they said all the things to the jinn, and jinn said to them that I will do good for you, and the jinn went to the camel, and this is not right, and the camel also replied, hum, and jinn did magic, and he created a hum on the back of the camel, and by this story we should do our work with honest. That's
With
it,
honest
sir.
नहीं, honestly.
With honestly.
हाँ, with नहीं बेटा, honestly. हो गया ना, एडवर्ब हो गया, वो with की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Yes,
या
sir.
with honesty ऐसे आना चाहिए फिर.
Okay,
Okay, very good. Shabash. Yes, come on, Anjali. अंजू गायब नहीं दिख रही है. आजा अंजलि, आजा बेटा, आजा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is how the camel got his hump. So, one time there was a camel who didn't work in the desert. One day, horse come to the camel and said to work like them. But the camel said hump.
हाँ बेटा, आराम से बेटा, फोकस करके बेटा थोड़ा. हाँ बेटा, बोल.
So the horse complained to his master, or in charge of the desert man. So he said, I can't do anything. You have to do extra work. Or the work of camel. So they frustrated and held a panchayat.
पूरे सेंटेंस बोलो, अच्छे से बोलो, फोकस करो थोड़ा.
Held a panchayat. And they invited genie, master, man. So when the panchayat about to start, the camel came there and said, haha. He laughed at them and go away.
Went away.
When they
went away. वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो बेटा.
Went away. So the genie came there, and the horse said the matter of the camel. So he said, okay, I will do something. So he went to the camel and said, if you say hump again, so I'm warning you to do not say hump again. So then the genie say, why do you not
why did not work like the rest of the animals and horse? So he said hump. With genie, give him hump with his magic. When he say, now you have to work. Now you have to work like the rest of the animals. That's it, sir. And the camel got his hump.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा और फोकस करेंगे तो और अच्छा होने लग जाएगा बेटो, है ना? हाँ, फोकस किया कर बेटा, बस एक ही बात है तेरे लिए, फोकस कर चीजों पे, सबसे आगे जाएगी बेटा. समझ गई ना बेटा? हाँ, कुछ चीजें तुम्हें ही करनी पड़ेंगी बेटा. हाँ बेटा, कोशिश करो बेटा, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Sir. Today I'm going to tell you a story of how a camel got his hump. So once when the animals were emerging, and there were a man who was the under whom there were all the animals, and he gave them different tasks to do, and among them there was a camel who did not do any work, and if anyone asked camel do to do any work, he just said hump. And one day a horse went to the camel and said him to to do the work like rest of them, and the camel just said hump. And then at the next day the dog came to the camel and said that go camel, fetch like the rest of us. And now also the camel said hump. And on the third day an ox said went to the camel and asked him to plow the fields like rest of them, and then also the camel just said hump. And then all the three animals went to their master, who was a man, and said him that the camel didn't do any work, and he just said hump whenever they asked him to do the work. And they argued with him that why should they do the work on the behalf of camel. Then the man just replied that you have to do the work of you had to do the work of him. You have to do the work of the camel, and you will do it. Then all the three animals, annoyed by the man, held a panchayat among three of them. And then when the panchayat was going on, the camel came there and just laughed and said hump and went away. And then the jinn, the master of the desert, came and asked what was going on there. Then they explained him the whole situation, and then he said that I will do something. After that he went to the camel and said him to do the work like rest of the other animals. The better the camel said hump. And when the jinn again asked him, when he again said hump, when the camel again said hump, the jinn with his magic created a hump on the back of the camel, and that's why a camel has a hump on his back. That's it.
Shabash, very good beta. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Vaishnavi. Today, I am telling about a story. This story is based on a camel. Once upon a time, there was a lazy camel, and he didn't any work, and he only say hump and hump. And one day, a horse came there, and he asked to him that
that की जरूरत है, टू से बना देना बेटा इसको.
He asked to him that
asked him to do work, ऐसे बना देना
बेटा. Asked him to do work.
क्लॉज लेने की जरूरत नहीं है ना बेटा. है ना? हाँ.
asked him to do work, and the camel refused, and he said hump. And the next, the another animal is was dog, and with his a stick in on his mouth, and said to camel, come and carry the stick. And the camel again say hump, and
शाबाश
and
बेटा.
poor dog went away and said to the man. Then the ox came, and ox came to the camel, and he said, come and plow like the rest of us. And again the camel said hump, and
वो तेरा को
and he said
डीट होते हैं ना, डीट.
and he
वो
said again and again and hump
हाँ.
in the situations, and the animals weren't together, and they become very fed up, and they went to the man, and the man said, I'm very sorry, and
क्या
and he's a very lazy
हाँ.
he's a very lazy guy,
हाँ.
animal, and
हाँ.
I'm going to leave him alone, and you must to do work, and then and three animals, held a panchayat at the edge of the desert, and there was, I think there was jinn. Jinn came, and he said to camel that he said to camel to do work, but he again say hump. and then jinn did a magic, and he did a
He made
and
a
he made a
hump.
hump
हाँ.
on the back, on his back, and
ले
and camel
निपटा दिया उसको.
camel said to him, what
What is this
what
यार?
what is this here, and what can I do? So by this story, its moral is we should give up our laziness. Thank you, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. यस, कम ऑन खुशी. हम आजा. होते हैं ना कोई डीट होते हैं कहीं, कुछ भी कर लो उनका वो वैसे ही रहेंगे. आजा बेटा, आ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Kushi Gujar. I'm telling about a story of camel.
हाँ.
A camel which lived in a middle of the desert with his master. Camel was lazy and he didn't any work.
He didn't do
He
any
didn't
work.
do any work.
हाँ, शाबाश बेटा.
That's why most of the animals bother from him. And and first of all, hordes came to camel.
द कैमल, अब बार बार आ रहा है तो दा लगा दो ना बेटा, डेविड तो डेफिनेट आर्टिकल है.
Camel
हाँ.
and said, camel, oh camel, have to work
Do work like us.
like us. But camel didn't reply.
And he replied by saying hump.
Only saying hump.
This was his reply. Kamal
This
replied
was
by saying hump.
his reply. And after that, horse went to his master and completed from of him.
Complained.
Complained. After the dog came there and again
After
say,
ऐसे नहीं, after it.
after it, dog came to him and said to do work, but he again replied, hump.
अरे सो कौन रहा है क्लास में?
Then
कौन पसर रहा है ये? सीधे बैठ जाओ और शक्ल दिखाओ अपनी बिल्कुल बैठ के. हाँ, यस. पढ़ने का प्रोग्राम चालू. हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा.
Then ox came to said to do work, but he replied only hump. That's why all animals tortured of the behavior of the camel. And all animals complained to his master. Complained to his master, but his master can't do anything and can't say anything. That's why all animals have to do extra work. One day
फोकस करो, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, बाकी सब ठीक है. बोल बेटा, बोल, घबराए मत.
One day, all animals held a panchayat. Presently, a jinn came there, and they thought that he may help us. He may help us, and they all animals said our all problems to jinn.
तो देर आएगा ना, अवर क्यों आएगा? हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्यों बताएंगे वो उनको? उनकी प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे. आगे बोल. सुनना, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना, समझ में आएगा. हाँ.
And camel, the jinn said that I am the in charge of the desert, and I will do something. And the in charge came to the camel and said to do work, but he replied only hump.
अब बनाएगा ये इसका hump. हाँ, आगे बोल. हाँ, बोल बेटा.
The jinn did a magic and created a hump on back of the camel.
On the back of the camel. हाँ.
After that, camel realized his mistakes, and he applauded.
And started.
सर वो क्या बोलूं?
क्या बेटा?
And he started. सर वो सॉरी मांगते हैं ना उसको. Apologize. कुछ ऐसा.
Apology.
हाँ.
Apologized. हाँ. He asked for apology. हाँ.
And he promised to do all work with honesty.
With honesty? Okay. Okay. Good. ठीक है. With honesty phrase हो गया. Adverb phrase हो गया. और honestly बोलेंगे तो खाली adverb हो जाएगा. Like that. थोड़ा सा फोकस करो चीजों पे ना. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. शाबाश. Now काजल. आजा बच्चा.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is a story of a camel. So once upon a time there was a camel and he did nothing and all the animals were puzzled of him, and one day they live with them. The camels live with them, and one day a horse came to the camel and asked to do something like them, but the camel did nothing and said hump, and after it the horse went to his master and complained about the camel, but his master did nothing, and after it one by one total three animals went came to camel and asked to do work like them, but every time the camel only said hump.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत
and
बढ़िया. Very good.
and one day the three animals went to his master and again and asked and told him about the situation of the camel, but his sister did nothing and said them 303, I'm sorry for you, and they got and said that you all have to do on behalf the work on behalf of camel, and they got angry, and they decided to
hold.
they decided to hold a panchayat, and they held a panchayat, and uh, after it owner of the desert came there, and all three animals told him about the situation of camel, and after it all listened the problem of animals. The jinn said them, I will do something for you, and after it the jinn called the camel, and the camel came to the jinn, and the jinn uh, told him to about the complaint of three animals, but the camel do nothing and only hump and said hump and laughed, and after it the jinn got angry, and he created
शाबाश शाबाश.
a hump on his back, and the camel realized that he had make a mistake, and he realized his mistake, and he promised to jinn to do all work, and sorry and said sorry to jinn, and so all the story uh, the moral of the story is that we should do our work honestly, and we should not we should not keep we should not we should do our work our own. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बच्चा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. हाँ भाई साहब, पधारो।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today my topic is about a camel. And once upon a time, there was a camel
हाँ
uh, and uh, and his three friends and his master who lived in the desert.
हम्म
So one day, the horse went to the camel and said them, uh, "Dear camel, mm, did some work
do
and
some work, हाँ
do some work with us." But the camel said, "Hump."
हम्म
Then the horse, uh, then the horse, get out from there. Then the master said to the dog. Then went to the camel and said same thing. Then camel say again hum.
हम्म
And at last the ox went to the camel and said, but the camel said again hum.
हम्म
Became and said his master uh, said to the camel. He did not listen uh, our thing.
yeah, he doesn't listen to us, इतना भी काफी है ना बेटा? He
So the
doesn't
master
listen to
said,
us. हाँ बोलो, आगे
replied
बोलो।
them,
हाँ
you and so the master said to the uh, you do extra work. Then the three animals they do a panchayat in the middle of the desert.
held a पंचायत। हाँ थोड़ा ध्यान रख बेटा, फोकस कर थोड़ा, फोकस
Okay,
की
so
कमी आ
held a
रही है। हाँ
panchayat
हाँ फोकस कर थोड़ा। हम्म
and the camel came there and he laughed and again said hump.
हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा।
That jinn came there and they and they listened their problem. Then the jinn said to the camel, "Dear camel, I say last time, uh, please do some work." Then the camel said, "Hum, hum, hum."
हम्म
Then the jinn did some magic and removed the hump of the camel.
removed क्यों?
And the camel said,
The camel hadn't any hump, but the jinn gave him the hump on his back. Okay?
"Okay, sir."
हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा।
And the moral of the story is we should always do any work. We don't
You should not.
we don't become
We
yes,
should not become.
we should not become lazy and like a camel.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ दीदी, ओ दीदी आजा, आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about hump of camel. And once, once there was a camel live in the desert with with other with other animals, and he was very lazy and he didn't work and other animals were very
puzzled
Hmm.
uh, and uh,
Hmm.
any animals asked to do work, but the camel uh, said only hump,
Hmm.
and whenever any animal asked to do work, he said again and again hump
Hmm.
and hump. When the when other animals decided uh, hold a panchayat,
Hmm. Hmm.
and uh, they invited their master, and uh, one day they announced the the panchayat, and uh, the genie uh, the genie who was the owner of desert, and uh, he went there, and other animals complained
Hmm.
one by one,
Hmm.
and uh, the uh, camel uh, hump and laugh, laughed
Laughed.
and
Laughed, beta.
laughed.
Hmm.
The
Hmm.
the master uh, the master tried to consume, but the camel resumed again, and he laughed, and uh, the genie decided punish to
To punish.
camel
To punish the camel. Huh.
punish the camel, and he create a hump
Created. Huh.
created a hump on the camel back,
Hmm.
and the the last camel realized his गलती को क्या बोलेंगे
Mistake.
his mistake, and he decided he
Decide.
didn't
No, he decided.
ignore.
हाँ, he
He
decided
decided
not to ignore. ऐसे बोल लो बेटा. जरूरी नहीं है पूरा क्लॉज ही बोले बेटा, अपन ऐसे भी सीखो थोड़ा सा, फ्रेज से भी कर सकते हैं, टू इन्फिनेटिव को यूज करके. ही डिसाइडेड नॉट टू इग्नोर, है ना बेटा? ऐसे बोल,
not
आगे बोल. हाँ, बोल 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 बोल.
work,
हम्म.
and सर तब से क्या बोलेंगे
है बेटा. Since
तब
then,
से
since then,
since then
since then.
since then
हम्म.
he came a hump, and it is a
हम्म.
backbone uh, for survive in the desert. He uh, he work uh, he work for 3 days without water in the desert, uh, with by his hump, and this is and uh, he he give नहीं मांग सर मांगना
क्या
मतलब
मांगना है?
he he
Beg.
take
हाँ, बोल बोल बोल.
he take sorry
ते क्यों?
to
He felt sorry.
he felt sorry, and and the last I want to say work is
Unavoidable.
work is unavoidable, so we should work we should work on the time. We should work, sir. We should all work on the time. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, थैंक यू। और कोई रह तो नहीं गया अब? ओके